Good morning, friends. Today, we will teach you English.
Yes, English with us.
We will clean our home and speak English together
You watch English step by step.
while cleaning our home. Good morning, my sunshine. Did you sleep well? Today is cleaning day. We'll have fun together. First, let's make your bed.
Okay, Mama.
Pull up the blanket. Now place the pillow. Great job, sweetie.
Looks nice and neat.
Oh my, look at this mess.
I bet you said yummy.
That's okay. Accidents happen. Let's clean it up together.
Okay, Mama.
First, let's sweep the floor.
Sweep, sweep.
Careful now. Good job.
Got it.
The floor is so clean in there.
Teamwork.
Now wipe the juice spill with the cloth.
Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Nice and gentle.
All clean.
Great job. The floor is shiny. Next, let's wash the dishes.
Soap and water.
Scrub the cup. Nice and clean.
Fresh, 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 sparkle.
Yes, make it shine. Let's do the laundry now.
Dirty clothes.
Yes. Now add soap to the machine and press the start button.
Wash.
All done. Now let's read a story.
Once upon a time.
Very good listening.
Story is fun.
We cleaned so well today. Great job. Let's learn English every day. See you next time.
While watching for more videos, like, share, and subscribe now.